Hey, what's up guys? This is Terry from Moix RV in Conway, and today we are going to go over one of the most versatile yet functional campers on the market. This is the Momentum Toy Hauler. At a little over 40 foot long, easily 3/4 ton towable, it is perfect for the entire family with sleeping for up to 7 and plenty of space on the interior. Y'all have got to come check this one out. Up here in the master, they have maximized the space in this. With putting on a bed slide, they've been able to throw a king or a queen size bed. Up here in the front closet, they've got his or her closets with full washer and dryer hookups as well. And they even threw in a 6-drawer dresser with some hidden storage. Here in the master bathroom, you do have the Jack and Jill style doors, a true porcelain toilet, and a 48-inch shower with a full body sprayer also. You've also got plenty of cabinetry here in the bathroom. Here in the main living area, you have dual opposing slides, which maximizes the space. They've thrown in a huge hutch with a full coffee bar, Curion countertops, a 16 cubic foot refrigerator, as well as a 3.75 cubic foot oven. That is the largest oven that they can actually put in a camper, with 4 burners that are true residential burners. They've also got a full built-in pantry as well for you, so that you have all the storage that you could need. It's got plenty of seating in this Momentum with 4-seater theater seating as well as heat and massage on each end, a massive 55-inch TV that is a Roku TV, and a 5,000 BTU fireplace. It really just finishes out the interior of this Momentum. Back here in the very back of it, you've actually got a 15-foot garage. Y'all have got to come check this one out. In this 15-foot garage, you've got plenty of space for the toys or for the kids. Both of these couches do lay down as a queen-size bed with a double queen over the top, or you do have a table mount for the middle, that way if you want to eat dinner as a family. On top of this 15-foot garage, you've actually got a built-in half bathroom as well. With 3 awnings, 3 air conditioners, and all the storage you could ever need, this 381M is perfect for the whole family. Whether you're taking the 4-wheelers out for the weekend or just need an extra space for the kids, this is the perfect Momentum for the family. Y'all have got to come check us out here at Moix RV in Conway.